Hey guys, it's Caleb. I'm in a Sierra EV Denali. Now this is the edition 1, so first couple that had come out. But this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your auto high beams on your brand new Sierra EV. So let me flip you around and we'll hop right in. Now defrost is automatically turned on because I just literally hopped in here. But I'm going to turn on the auto high beams, so let's hop right into it. Super easy. You go to your control settings, and then auto high beam is right there, turning it on. And that's going to show you on the bottom left here, auto with the high beam. I'm going to turn it off so you can see it turn off. And then once again, back on. And it turns on. What that's doing is allowing for the high beams to automatically turn on when it detects low light levels through this, during the night or through tunnels, things like that. As long as people aren't driving towards you. And you can see it on any version of the display screen. Of course, it's also night. You have the dark mode, which is really nice. But other than that, that's your auto high beams. That was how to use your auto high beams and what the perks of it are. I want to say thank y'all again for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.